Look, so far I changed the distributor, cap, rotor, all the wires, plugs, idle air control, EGR valve, timing belt. The head was redone. It had I think it was 2 or 3 the valves broken. Starter, just a starter too. What else? Fuel pump, and I think that's it so far. Can't remember. Well, anything to make it work. Let's try it. Still no seats, my nigga. There it goes. Look. Sounds a little faster than last time. Last time it was just like yeah. When I press on the gas, it won't start. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you can hear from out right there. No one wants to come and take the camera right now to record from the motor. Here, hold on, let me try if I can get a view from over there. It's passing charge right now from the van. That's close to the van. I'm gonna leave you right here. Hopefully you don't fall. Alright, let's see. Hopefully you can help me out with that video. Yeah, I don't know what else I could try. I tried the starter fluid last time, but it still didn't want to. Sprayed it in there. I don't know if you know if that's wrong or whatever. But yeah, hopefully you can find something out of this video. Thanks, bro.